Good morning, happy Friday. Today is the 26th of August. So Desiree is morning walking with Mommy Yang. So I'm very happy of my baby. She start walking now. Thank you, Lord. So beautiful day. Fall is coming. So tingnan niyo si Desiree, oh. Sabi niya, cat, 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 kitty, kitty, kitty. She want kitty, kitty. Look at her. She is so beautiful, very precious baby. I love her so much.
Look at the
Ayan na po yung
kitty.
best friend na Desiree, si Kitty Kitty. So
Look
she
at
is so happy to see
Desiree.
the kitty now.
I see
Yeah,
the
see
kitty.
with my auntie walking outside, give her a
Say hi,
sunshine early
kitty.
in the
Good
morning.
morning. Now I know how to
Oh, look at
walk.
her best friend. That's her best friend of Desiree. Every morning, that cat always come to Desiree when me and my baby is walking. So, tingnan niyo yun si Desiree. Ang happy-happy, ang saya-saya pa makita niya yun si Kitty Kitty. Tawag namin, Kitty, 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 Kitty. Tingnan niyo. So guys, magluto si Mami Yang ng stewed chicken para may sabaw si Desiree kasi mas maganda talaga ang baby always having a stew. Iba-iba talaga yung fish, tapos ngayon chicken na naman. So ganyan, yung bok choy, hinugasan ko talaga yan, binigay sa akin si Silab. So nag-share sila sa amin ng bok choy. So good for the stew and that's really good for tinolang manok, di ba? O hinugasan ko yan para naman magka-stew kami ni Desiree ngayong tanghalian. Ayan na po bok choy, alugbate, tapos yan na po yung mga ingredients lamas, may sibuyas, tapos yan yung tanglad, lemongrass. Ayan na po yung aming ulam ni Desiree, yung chicken stew chicken. Ayan po yung manok na may pichay, tapos may maraming ingredients na naman. Tapos, andyan naman yung bihon. Para yan po sa bihon, more on vegetables. O, ang sarap, libre. Guys, here's our bihon. See the bihon? Oh, a lot of veggie. Masarap. Diba? Yan yung ulam namin ni Desiree. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.